I always know how to make sure that I'm camera ready. I don't even know why, but whatever. We're gonna get into this video. It is your girl Melissa with Girl It's Mel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a long time subscriber, welcome back. Yes, I'm here with the DIY video on backdrops, and as you guys can see, I have a pink backdrop, but all it is just basically a big cardboard, which is a 32 by 40 cardboard that I picked up, I can't even talk. I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and it was $4.99, plus you get a 40% coupon that you go to their website and get, and I only paid basically $2.99 for this cardboard, and I use this for pictures. So basically I wanted to get some materials to be able to help build a backdrop, because right now, you know, I'm on a budget and I don't have the funds to be able to shell out $50, $70, $100, or even more than that on a photography backdrop. Yet I'm on there doing backdrops for videos. So I decided to go pick up some materials. So I'm gonna show you guys footage of me in the store, some of the things that I was looking at. So I did pick up some fabric, and one of the pieces I got was a gray fabric here. And you can always get fabric, you can get cardboard, you can get the bulletin board paper, you can get that as well. You know, it may have little wrinkles in it, so you have to be very careful with how you lay it out. And I'm recording in my bathroom, guys, so this is like the only wall that I have, the only safe place in my house, because I do have a 4-year-old. The only safe place in my house where I can go and do videos and just be creative. So I take a lot of photos in this space, so I needed different colors. So again, I got like this gray color here, so I want to have like a gray backdrop. I'm gonna take photos, so you know, so I can be camera ready, girl, so I can be like, you know, yeah, I know y'all probably like, she is a nutcase. But yeah, so this is basically 2 yards of material. It was 30% off at Hobby Lobby, and it's only 45 inches wide. I wish I could find a material that was like 60 wide, because I could have got away with a yard. But because it was only 45 inches wide, I wanted to go with something a little bit longer. And if I wanted to turn it landscape versus portrait, that I have more room to be able to play with it. Now, I got this this is like a canvas white. So pretty much, if you guys are creatives, you automatically would know what a canvas material looks like. So this is what it looks like. I picked this up also from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale, actually. It was like one of their rolls. This is like one of their rolls. I think it's a 60 wide. And I got 1 yard of it. And as you guys can see, it fills the frames. Even if I was to turn my camera landscape, you can still be able to see. So I got white. This was one of the first pieces of material that I got when I started my photography journey. So this is pretty old, and I might need to go get some more, because, you know, you can always have more than just one piece. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with that. And then last but not least, now when you have backdrops, when you want to look for material, you got to make sure that you don't get something that's going to be too busy, that's going to take away from you, the subject. Okay, so I'm just saying. I got this piece of material. This actually was one of their remnants, and I don't know how wide or how many yards it is. I think it's just a yard, and it's 45 inches wide. No, it's actually 60 wide, and this is pretty much, I guess, what's left on the roll. So this is like a nice little yellow. I mean, the background's kind of busy, but you know, I have to play it safe if I'm taking pictures, maybe with something that's a solid color. And as you can see, it kind of works with my white sweatshirt that I have on here. But all these pieces of materials that I got, guys, I swear I got all this for under $30. Because I mean, if I would have paid $30, yes, I could have had a backdrop, but it probably wouldn't have been big enough to be able to fit. So sometimes you just have to be creative, and there's nothing wrong with being creative when you are starting out on YouTube, starting your photography journey, starting as a graphic designer, anything that you're starting out in, is nothing wrong. So sometimes I think you're the most creative when you're having to go out and just work with what you have. There's nothing wrong with that. Again, I am taking pictures in my bathroom, so I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna move the camera around. In my bathroom, it's not the greatest, not the good looking. You know, got my little coffee cup over here in the corner. You might not be able to see that, but this is what I'm working with. So I have to work with what I have. So there's nothing wrong with just utilizing the things that you have in your home. Again, you're the most creative when you do it that way. I'm just trying to get the camera positioned perfectly, but it don't even matter no more, y'all. It doesn't. So as you guys can see, you get the gist of everything. So again, this is my DIY for just backdrops. Again, this is just a cardboard, a hot pink cardboard. It's one like those little I guess you want to say like those little poster boards or something that folds out like this. So this is what this is, just turned in the portrait mode. So I'm not sure you can see the lines where it kind of curves. You might not be able to pick that up on the camera, but however. And that's pretty much it, guys. So this is just simple little tips that I want to share with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and let me know. Comment down below. Go ahead and subscribe to me. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I'm posting new videos. Also follow me on Instagram at girlitsmel. And also join my creatives group on Facebook. It's called the Brown Sugar Creatives. Go ahead and check us out. Okay, we're a community-based group. Go ahead and check it out. But until then, guys, laters.